scaling up $1,000 to $1 million right from the comfort of my room. I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure of how I'm going to be growing a $1,000 account to $1 million account. And unlike other challenges, this is going to be entirely different. This is something you're not seeing, especially in the financial world. I'm going to be showing you the account and what I'm going to be investing the money on the account on. Now, unlike before, where I do challenges, where I just fund account and I start trading to flip to get to $1 million, this is going to be different. I'm going to be trading, I'm going to be investing in physical assets and some other assets, and I'm going to be, doing a lot of things with the money. So that's why the money is not on a broker. Instead, it's on a decentralized wallet. Okay, it's on a decentralized wallet where only me has access to it. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you the money that's inside, the money that's going to be going out, and step by step of how I'm going to be spending the money and the balance of the money. So meaning, even if we're going to be flipping the account, when we get to a stage, we'll fund a certain amount of money for the account, for a particular account, we'll buy prop firms, we'll scale up prop firms, we'll do a lot of things. So this video might actually be long, but it's a step-by-step procedure that you can actually take a $1,000 or even a smaller account than that to a very huge amount of money. This is the $1,000 account that has been funded. Yes, it's a bit above $1,000 because we had to get Tron. Tron is it's like a network used on a decentralized trust wallet so that you can be able to transfer money outside the wallet. Okay, now this is my PC, and you can see here that this is the first thing I'm purchasing on the challenge. This is the account. This is an $100,000 profit account. This is what I'm going to be buying. That means if we purchase this, we'll have used over 50% of that account. Is it a wise choice? I don't know, but I feel this is something that should go well. If we can be able to pass this account phase 1, phase 2 and get to live stage and make 10% to 20%, we have gone a lot of way above our challenge. In this challenge, we're going to be doing it in different folds. Yes, in different folds. Number one, we're going to try as much as possible to have a target. The first target for this account is to take conveniently $1,000 to $5,000. No rushing. Yes, we have a whole big goal. The goal is to get to $1 million, but for now, for $1,000 to $5,000. Now, when we get to $5,000, we'll give a subscriber 1%. For every milestone we get to, 1% is given to subscribers. So for 5,000 to 10,000, from 10,000 to 20,000 to 50,000 to 100,000 to 200,000, like that. So each goal that we get to, or each milestone that we get to, the subscriber is entitled to 1% of what we make. And regardless of wherever you are, if you're outside the country and I'm not within the vicinity and you get to win the comment section drills, then obviously you're going to be picked and I'm going to just transfer the money to you. But if you are within the country, I'm going to personally drive to your hometown and I'm going to send you the money directly to your account. So please make sure that you're following, you're liking, you love this video so that I can get motivated to do more. This is just a journey. Now, mind you, whatever you're seeing here is the personal financial advice, not for the public. This is just for me showing you that it's something I can do and something I am doing on the side, and it's a challenge that I feel should inspire youth, inspire people that want to become successful in terms of trading. So that's why I embarked on this journey, and also a challenge that will make you to be very entertained and make you to always want to watch more. I'm going to be doing this from the comfort of my house, and from the comfort of my house alone, then I'll be showing you other activities, what I'm going to spend the money on. I'm going to be going out. Even it gets a point where I'm going to be taking the money, taking someone out on a date. Also, in this whole episode and series of what a $1,000 account can do, I'm going to be showing you a lot of things. Yeah, so right now it's going to be so amazing. Let's buy this account. Also, guys, we've been able to pay, and you can see it showing paid now. So what should happen now is that they should send me a mail soon. Let me just go back to the dashboard. They have not sent me anything yet, so but since it's showing paid already, nothing yet, but when they send me a mail, I'll inform you guys and I'll log in, or before I log in rather, I'll show you guys and wish me luck. See ya. Welcome guys to day 2 of our $1,000 challenge to any amount I want to take it to. This is to show you how you can easily scale up whatever amount of money you have by making quality decisions and by also sticking to your plans and to your rules. Remember, yesterday we funded a Trust Wallet account with $1,000, and in the Trust Wallet account we were able to purchase an account worth almost $600, leaving the account remaining $480 or $400 thereabout. But yesterday night, apart from the fact that I purchased an $100,000 account from the current prop firm I'm partnering with, Funded Next, I also took another step by investing $100 on my Exness account. So the $100 on my Exness account was just, that's the broker I use, was just to see how far I can be able to scale up my account in terms of real money, and also scale up my account in terms of the profit. So the idea behind this is that when trading, right, you don't need to put all your eggs in one basket. You can diversify. Remember, our goal is 5k, 10k, 20k, 100k, 200k, 300k, 400k, and 1 million. So the goal is for us to be hitting those milestones and celebrating it with you guys as our subscribers. So whenever we get to a new milestone, we post the video on YouTube. For every milestone we get to, we post the video on YouTube, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing. So I'm going to be showing you guys the update of the current decision that we made yesterday. Remember, apart from trading, we can also make other decisions like physical businesses, physical assets, investments, stocks, and many other things that we can do with this $1,000. I want to show you how long it's going to take me to grow $1,000 to a significant amount of money. Now, looking at this is the $100 I funded. I've not taken any trade on this particular account. I would have taken a trade, but I didn't take any trade. I'm going to go into my office now. I'm going to show you guys the prop firm. Congratulations to us. We passed the prop firm. So we passed the phase 1 of the prop firm. Yesterday we bought the account. Today I passed the phase 1 of the prop firm, and it's going to take us minimum of 5 days before we can get to phase 2. But when we get to phase 2, I'll also show you guys that we got to phase 2, and from there we'll start moving on. So let me show you the balance of the account. Let's see. Yeah, so we have $380 remaining. So this $380, we're not going to be spending it. We're going to be keeping it so that we don't just lose our capital. Remember, we're just trying to see how we can grow $1,000 to a significant amount of money. We have invested in two quality things. So come with me and enjoy this journey. If I were you, I'll document all these kind of things, write it down. Also, don't worry, my editor will try to put on the screen things like investing our money and how much is going to come out from those investments. Particularly, I'm thinking of 20% from my prop firm. 20% of the prop firm will give us $16,000, so we can easily scale from $1,000 to $16,000 if we get to that stage. But let's not keep our hopes too high. Let's focus on the current period. Let's go. This is my mini office, and this is where every of my decision comes to play. If you check the board here, you can see some of my rules. 1 trade per day, no withdrawals in my trading account. This one here is not the account I'm going to post it on social media. This is my personal account. No withdrawals of the rebate, which this is another thing. Only KTS, no shortcuts. Now, what this means is trading only my strategy and no shortcuts. Time of trading 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. West African time, and I trade only gold. So let me show you the trade. So basically, this is my dashboard. This is how it looks like. This is a Funded Next dashboard. If you are not using Funded Next, I don't know why you're not using Funded Next actually. Go to the description link. Make sure you sign up using Funded Next. Register, then use my coupon code KingFTBFX and get it. Yeah, so let's continue the video. Now this is the account. You can see target has been passed. Now the overall loss limit, we have $18,000 ongoing. Minimum trading days 2 out of 5. So this is why we are still going to be opening minimum lot size, just to make sure we meet this. And this is qualified. So everything here is qualified. we are done. You just need to just wait for a few days. So I think for now we made the right decision of buying this account. Thank you for following me with that. So I'm going to be showing in these videos, I'm going to be showing you my activities every day. This is day 2. I've not really done anything much. I just sat down on my screen and did analysis. Let me even show you the analysis of what I did. So I posted this video in the morning. So I posted this video in the morning, and this was showing the trades I wanted to take on gold. You can see this was the trade I posted that on the daily time frame, that when price gets to this point, that there's a high tendency for you to buy, right? So this is it, and let me show you how it played out. This was the trade I used to pass the account. I made $13,000 on the account because yesterday I made a drawdown of like 4.something%, but today I was able to make 13% on the account. Now look at this. The same zone I was talking about was that zone I reacted to, but I didn't enter from here. Instead, I waited patiently and I saw a 15-minute entry. So one of the confirmation I can share to you guys for free, which you actually learn if you want to learn, is that when price got to this point, this was a suitable point for selling point, but you see the pressure broke it. One, we're already in a key level to buy. Secondly, we had the pressure that break this first supply, and thirdly, we had this zone where price got to and came down, but instead of it to break below, it didn't. Instead it broke above. So I entered right above this break, and we saw massive spike. So this was where I added new position and ended it, and the account was passed. So this is it. Also, I'm showing you guys my other day-to-day activities, but for now I think this is good. Enjoy this journey with me. Learn from this journey. See that you can grow yourself. See that you can grow your account. My love to be yours, to touch your point. My fire, depending on how you go. My face is on fire, like. Welcome to day 3 of our challenge, where I found a $1,000 account on a particular trust wallet account, and we start scaling it step by step, right? Today is day 3 and we have made amazing investment. I feel like we have made the best decision so far for now. No wrong decision for now, and that's amazing. So the first decision, like we said, to scale it up here, we did an investment of $570 on a prop firm. And we phase 1. The only reason why we're not trading profit right now is because of the fact that we have days that we need to complete, minimum trading days that we need to complete. So next week, Wednesday, officially, we should be able to get our phase 2 and get started. So the second day, I funded another $100 account on the 14th of May 2025. You can see it here, 14th of May 2025. We funded the $100 account and we lost it today. So that's what made our account now go back to we lost the $100. Now 570 plus $100, that is about $670 that we have invested, and the current balance of our trust wallet account went down to $380. But the same trade that I lost, I have to reinvest $100 to that trade, and I'm going to be showing you the current account for that trust wallet is about $276 now. You can see this is the same account. So these are the transactions of the account. Now the first transaction you can see here is the May 13th $570. Then we now did another $100, which was yesterday, and the account, we blew the account. Then today I funded another $100, and so make it $260. Now the $100, this is the trade I took. I posted it on my community and it gave good profits. So I'm going to be showing you my community, and I'm also going to show you the trade I posted and how we're now able to take the trade. So let's first go to my community. So if you are not on this community, try to join the community. It's King FTP_FX. So now this is it. I posted the trade first on the VIP. Let's go to the VIP section. Let's go here. So we have 199 people on the VIP. So this was the trade. You can see very, very risky trade with small SL. That's good. And I told them the SL is 50 pips and the TP is about, TP was supposed to be 600 pips. Then after I take it, one of my team members also saw a sell and he posted this trade again for a sell. So after taking this sell, it dropped. Still, so it started dropping 95 pips and we dropped massively. This was the drop. You can see we dropped over 410 pips. Now, this is not the real good news yet. Look at the channel. This was when I posted on the channel when we were on small profits, and this was now the overall drop on the market. So let me show you guys the trade on the trading view now. So this is the trade on the trading view. You can see. Let me see if I can. Let me just adjust this. Let me teach you guys something. Maybe you guys can learn one of the things on reasons why I was able to take this trade. So now, we took a buy. This was the buy that we took that passed the phase one of that prop firm. This was the buy we took yesterday that passed the phase one of the prop firm. And today, I took a sell. Reason because we had 3 confirmations. The first confirmation was that in this zone here, if I'm to draw a long line here like this, let's make this fat a bit. Like this. Yes, you can see that in this zone there was a first touch. This was a support level, then it turned to resistance level, and resistance level, right? So I looked at this and this was the first pullback. This was the first reaction of the market. And after the first reaction of the market, I had to look at it overall, even though I'm looking at for a change of structure to the upside, but we have to first look at overall that the market is still looking bearish for now. You can see. So what did I do? After that, I had to wait again for a new confirmation. So the new confirmation came at this level. Let me show you guys. Let me draw a line. It came at this level. Now, in this level here, we had nice reactions too. So the reaction was from this, it went up, it broke it again. So you can see that it didn't react on this side twice, which is supposed to come and still react here, regardless of the fact that it has broken it here. And it came back here. So when I saw that it was looking so clumsy here, all I did was to go to the lower time frame, let's say 5 minutes, and spot out a zone that I can take trades from. I saw that price has taken out liquidity from up here, came down, it was still inside that zone, and it went back to mitigate this. And I took the trade from here. That's why, and I closed it because it has entered that main zone that I was expecting it to enter again on the daily time frame. So that's why I took this trade. So now let's go to the real deal for the day. After taking a trade, I actually took the trade on my live account. Remember, I told you guys that after funding the $100 first, I had to fund another $100, right? Now, let me show you the result of the second $100 that I funded. Just chill out with me. This is it. I'll come closer. You can see balance for today funded $100, right? This was the trade I took $100. I took 0.2 first, and I took another 0. Let me see if I can open the chart history. Yes, see it. We took the first entry here, and I broke even, and I took the second entry here, and I broke even, and that resulted into a $1,500 profit. Do you know what that means, guys? It means that officially, if I am to calculate our profit margin for this, it means, let's do a math together. We have 276 as the current balance on our trust wallet. My editor, please make sure that you are writing this in calculation so that people can follow. 276. Then we have $100 that we have invested already. 376. I'm not going to count the $570 that we used to buy profit because it's not yielding profit. Plus $1,500 that we made today. The account's officially on $1,876. So let's reduce our $100. Let's leave $100 outside because $100 is still an investment I want to do. So our current account is going to be on 1776. So today I'm going to place a withdrawal on XNES, and after placing a withdrawal, I'm going to show you guys the withdrawal I placed, and I'm going to show you guys when it entered my account. So I'm going to be funding my account with $1,500 profit. So that will take the account to $1,776. So we will still have a profit that is on first phase completed. We're going to second phase, and we have another $100 that I've invested, and we're still keeping as a capital to reinvest on the next trade. And beautifully, we have $1,776 as our reserve cash to go with. So we are currently up 77.6%, which is so amazing because today is just the third day. And just imagine when we pass the profit. We pass phase 1, we pass phase 2, we get to live stage, and we make a whooping 20%. That means we can literally withdraw $16,000. And that will take our account a lot more further. And I believe that in the next 1 month from this challenge, you should be up sitting comfortably at $20,000. That's my faith, that's my belief. But guys, we are up 1.7, and we can literally just decide to just chill and see how the profit goes. But I'm still going to look at what can $1,700 do? What can we invest more in? That'll be there. So this evening I'm going to the gym. I'm going to show you guys my workout routine. I'm going to go to the gym. You can see, let me show you my physique. You can see my chest is coming out. My stomach is becoming very, very flat, and my hands are coming up. So I'm looking like somebody that's going to the gym now. And I'm so happy because I've lost nice more weight. I've lost over 6 point something kg, and that's so amazing. It means I am doing something right with this challenge and with my workout, my gym, my everything. So guys, we're going to the gym, and like I said, when I bring the money, I'll show you guys the draw. So let's start from right. So break so you can see this is it, $1,500 withdrawal already, and I withdrew it and into the Trust Wallet account. So you can see. So I'll show you the history of the account so that you guys can see it. History of the account. So I'm currently in the gym. Like I said, I was going to playing back to back. See you guys, and so. Hi guys, today is the 7th of our challenge, and it has been hectic. Today has just been hectic. Throughout today, I've just been, trying my best to see how to make things work. Trust me, this challenge, I can say today is the most hardest day for me, but I'm so happy that I've been able to break through, and today is it's just 3:17. If you guys can remember, I said it last time that I'll be investing in a lot of things, but crazy part is that I did not invest in other things. Instead, I invested back into the account. The account was on $1,783, and guess what? I withdrew a total of over $1,200. No, $1,400. I withdrew the first one, second time, and third time was when it went well. So my goal for the account was to take the account $2,000 and above today. But it's quite unfortunate that after we took those trades, the account went down to 372. Now, there are two things that's giving me a lot of joy. The first is that, one, the account, I have used the account to purchase a funded account already. That's a prop firm, and prop firm is in phase 1. Today is the 4th day of the prop firm, and tomorrow, 5 working days, it should give me the phase 2. So I'll start a new journey on that. And the second one is that the third trial, after losing a lot, the third trial came and it went well. And the amazing part is that I closed accurately for the third trial. Let me show them what happened today. Now, if you go to 15 minutes time frame, right? On my 15 minutes time frame, this is what happened. I took it a buy the first time, and the main reason why I took a buy was because you can see I marked out this region and this region here. And if you go to my Telegram channel, let me quickly bring up my Telegram channel. I dropped an analysis for the week. And this was the analysis for the week. Now you can see on the analysis for the week on the 1 hour time frame, I said that price will break above this point, right? Come down and move. Now let's check what happened. Let's check what happened. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now you can see. Let me widen this. Yes. And let me bring this to the top here. Crazy. So price broke this point too. This was the point that said price will break and to come back, but it did not come back instantly. Instead, it kept buying. So my idea was that okay, maybe price wants to gain momentum to break this high because it has tested this place repeatedly over and over and over again. So I took a buy, and the buy was on a 15-minute time frame. So it was when price broke above this region. I took it buy, and guys, it was a sniper sell, and I lost. So let me show you the accounts. Let me show you how you. I would have taken this trade now to add sales here, but it's not useful anymore. But let me show you the account. Let me show you what happened. Now, if you look at this today, it was crazy. This was the buy that I took. This was when I started funding again. This was the buy I took. It went to massive loss, $430 loss. This was another loss. If I'm coming here, $150 loss. You know, it was just like crazy. So at the end of the day, I was able to end the $275 profit because of this trade. So after taking trades the second time, which I should not have, I shouldn't have taken more than one trade today. And like I said, I feel very bad, but I'm going to learn from this. I'm not going to try it again by taking more than one trade because it's too emotional. You understand? So this was now the trade. This one, after I saw that the buys were not working anymore, I knew that price wanted to sell because obviously it's on a key level. If I have to check it like this, remember we had a buy key level and that's what sponsored it to the upside. Same thing, we have a sell key level and that's what sponsored it to the downside. So all I did was taking the sell from here. Looking at this zone here, you can see that there's liquidity up here, liquidity at the side, and price just tapped in back and came down. So that's how we're able to now recover all the losses, and now the account is on $1,933. So this $1,933 now I'll be funding it back, sending it back to my account, my trust wallet. Trust wallet is on 372. So if I add 1,900 and stuff back to this place, let's assume I'm going to just try to make it 2,000 and the remaining balance I'm going to leave it there and see how to scale it up from there. So that's what happened on Monday. And the buy, I also posted it on my channel, which resulted to a loss like for today. I remember I used to post every of my analysis on my channel, most of my analysis on my channel. You can see this was the analysis that of the buy. This was the zone I told you that it broke. I was expecting it to buy more, but unfortunately it didn't. Instead, it just took us up small and came down. So, but fortunately for me, I was able to take in the sales and recover the losses that I made. So I'll be funding the account back and I'll show you guys the balance and how far we're going to go. So today marks the 4th day, like I said earlier, of the prop firm account. I'm going to be waiting for at least one more day. That's tomorrow, and we take a trade on it and they give us a phase 2, fortunately for us, and I'm so happy, right? So happy. I'm happy that the challenge is going well, and I'm happy the fact that we are up over 100% today. 100% today. Do you know what that means, guys? It means that our effort is not to waste and we are pushing very well. When we get to 400% up, that's when I'm doing a giveaway for the person that's been following this particular challenge. I'll do giveaway. People on YouTube comment section, I'll pick out one person and I'll give the person a lucky subscriber 1%. 1% of $5,000 is $50. So when we get to $10,000 again, another 1%, and like that. So that's it, guys. Welcome to day 9 of our challenge. Yeah, I think today officially made it day 9, and I think today I'm going to give my editor this video for him to edit, because we have been shooting video for a while now, and so far so good. I've been able to do well for ourselves. Today's the 9th, and I've been following consistently what I intended to do. Yes, I didn't do some videos yesterday and even the previous day. Why? Because I was literally in my room doing trades, and after my room I went to the gym, so I didn't actually record myself doing those periods. But here we are again. I'm going to be doing a revision of everything that went on our trades. Now bring it closer. You can see we took this massive buy that you're seeing here. I risked very little to make massive, and it went very well for me. Today I took in the sell. You can see the sell is a bit consolidating. I'm going to be showing you guys the withdrawals that we made and how much the account is currently. For now, I'm currently on a trade which is not looking too good to me right now, but I'm on a trade. Yeah, you can see trade is on a loss, crazy loss, but I still believe that trade should go well. That's for that. Then for the account, I'm going to be showing you how much the account is, and let the drum roll begin. We are currently $11,544 up. You can see. Now I'm sure you're wondering how did we get $11,000? Yes, I'll be showing you guys what happened and how we're able to get to that figure. If you look at this right here, you can see that this was where we started spending from. We spent, went to 1.7, then from 1.7, that was how it boosted our account. We spent, we're using to trade, spent, I scalped, it didn't go well. So this now gave us profit of 2,600 plus. 1,500 plus. We started increasing. If you notice it, we're making payments small, $150, $500, $200, $300, $200, $500, $200. Then when we now started getting profit on the account, started increasing the amount of risks. You can see today I made $5,116. That was that long trade I just showed you, and I also made $3,000 plus. And I'm currently on this trade, which can likely go. You can see it's even reacting already. It can spike down. I expect it to spike down to this point, then we just take profit. So $1,000 should be enough for this particular trade. I'm sure you'll be wondering, how was I able to come up with this idea, and what is the goal for this our account? Right, the account, I said it in the beginning of the video. If you didn't watch the beginning, please try as much as watch. And also, please, if you have been watching this series so far and you love it, please try as much to like, subscribe, and follow. No, follow should be for other accounts because this account is on YouTube. So please, anyway, just you know what I'm saying, just make sure you click the subscription button and make sure you're on your notification. So this particular challenge started because I felt I've done a lot of challenge. I've made good amount of money for myself, and I started to push and show people that it's possible for you to actually invest. This is showing how I can start from zero to become somebody very, very potential, and that's why I started this challenge. Now, if you look at it, the first investment, which is I call it a safe spot investment, was getting a profit account. So if you're watching this video and you're wondering, I have $1,000, what should I do? Follow the steps that I am following. This is the first investment. Now, why is this an investment? We have passed phase 1 last time, and I've gotten a phase 2. The phase 2 now, bring it closer, let me show them. If you see this, you can see the phase 2 passed. We have passed phase 2 already. We're taking a trade on this and I've passed phase 2. But the reason why we're not getting live trade on this particular account is because we are still on the second day. So by Thursday, Friday, Monday, we should be able to finish and we'll start the verification process. So now, why is this called a safe spot? It's called a safe spot because I've been able to pass the account, and like I said, I invested close to $600 on this account, and that was 60% of our total investment. I knew that I was a profitable trader, and I'm somebody that can make profit. That's why I had to buy that first, just in case I start funding small accounts and it doesn't go well. I can still fall back on this, and over the long run I can be able to withdraw. So but this account now has gone phase 1, phase 2. So the next stage for this particular account I'm planning is to get 20% and make a withdrawal. The withdrawal is going to come 1 month after we've started trading the live account, which is so awesome. truthfully, so awesome. And apart from that, I've gotten enough capital for us to start scaling up. Now you'll be wondering, how much do I intend to keep trading? I'm not going to be trading too much for now. The reason why I'm not going to be investing too much on my trading in terms of for now is because looking at the account is still small. Yes, it's still small. Yes, we've done 1000% plus, but the account is still small. 11,500 is still small. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reducing our risks to 500 per trade. 500 per trade till when we get to 20k. When we get to 20k, we can now start thinking of maybe taking $1,000 per trade. If you can even go lesser, I would really appreciate it to go lesser for now until we see the back-to-back wins and the rest. So that's it, guys. So I'm expecting this trade to go well, and this is day 9. Hopefully my editor does a good job for us to compile. And also, please, if you're not following any of my social media handle, try to follow all my social media handle. My TikTok is King FTP. You can go and check it. It doesn't have too much followers, so please, you can kindly follow. And like I said, I was going to give a giveaway to the best comment on the YouTube section. So the giveaway for this is $110, which is amazing because we're already at $11,000. So I'll do a giveaway for the best comment under this particular YouTube video. Now, number 2, try to follow my Instagram. My Instagram is kingftp.fx. That's my Instagram. Then my Twitter handle, my Instagram is over 70,000 followers. Don't fall for scam. My editor should put it up here for 70,000 followers. Then my X is over 50-something thousand followers, and my Telegram channel is over 46,000 followers, 70,000 subscribers. So please try to follow through all these accounts so that you can be getting notification from me, and also so that I can be able to inspire you. This first video, if you find it very interesting, click the like button, thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. That's it all. Peace out. I love you. See you next time.